All right, friends, and welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Surgoal Heated Jacket. This is also like waterproof. Got graphene in here for oh, see that lightning fast reflexes there. Got a little the battery pack here. That's nice. Shows us like how much it's full there. One little battery or button on the side, USB-C, USB-A, and also a little plug in there as well. Okay, so we have some instructions. Testing out this jacket. It's supposed to have the graphene in there, so instead of like traditional like heating pad type heating devices in your clothes, it's more like a kind of like a metal element in there. And this is, oh wow, first impression, very nice. Got the Velcro over the top here. That's slick looking. This is like a ski jacket. Okay, we got some big pockets right here in the front on both sides. 1, 2. These have like the waterproof stitching there that seals up inside. Nice big jacket. This is the large size. We have ventilation up underneath the arms if you want to open those up, so that's nice. Can get a little stuffy sometimes in some jackets, so that's good. Got some other pockets here in the front as well. Nice. We have the Velcro at the end, so we can tighten those down. Drawstrings. What do we have? Drawstrings on the bottom. What do we got here? These little tags. Okay, didn't hurt myself on that. That's good. Maybe I can pull it through there. Yeah, okay. All right, let's put this thing on. I'll check that out on the inside there. We got the whole like graphene looking inside. It's pretty sweet. You have drawstrings also here, so we can pull this tight around the bottom. So it's pretty sweet here, actually. I'm gonna give this a shot, throw this thing on here. Okay, so we got Velcro here on the front also. Holding it together. Zip this bad boy off of here. Look at that on the inside there. It's pretty sweet actually. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So it's got these little like sleeves that your arm goes through and kind of like keeps them through the bottom there. So that's nice. So if you guys have ever worn like a jacket and maybe you're riding your bike or something, and sometimes these don't get all the way sealed. It's basically these little sleeves on the inside kind of will prevent like wind from going up into your arm right there. So it's a really good idea. I kind of like the look of this. We got nice pockets on the sleeve here too. Pretty cool branding right there on the side. We got the nice patch here, Vitality, conquers everything, patches on the side there. I gotta say, this is actually kind of cozy, guys. We got this nice big kind of pocket here as well. We got drawstrings here that just kind of pull in. What do these even pull in? I'm not sure. Okay, I think this one right here is for the battery pack, which is cool. So we stick our battery pack here like that, and it's gonna come on right there. We just stick it in our little tiny pocket, just like that. Okay, then we have like this right here. Okay. So we have, this is for basically the front side, and this is for like the back side. So I like how it's 2 individual ones here to turn it on, and then we can turn it different temperatures. It looks like a red, green, and blue, and red, green, and blue also for that. So I'll have on blue, and looks like the 3 bars is our battery there. So pretty sick actually. This thing's waterproof as well, so obviously we're gonna take this out and test it out in the rain for you guys, see how well this thing works. Zips up perfectly. Very nice. Don't want to cover my microphone so we don't have any hearing issues. Oh yeah, it's like cozy. The heat's already kicking in, guys. I got my pockets over here. Kind of nice, actually. I got the large size. I think it fits nice. For a jacket, I don't want it like tight. You know what I mean? I don't like tight jackets. I like a little bit of like room if you have other clothes on underneath or something like that. But this is nice and warm. Looks like the heat's already starting to kick in here a little bit. Let's crank it up all the way. Why not? We're feeling adventurous. But yeah, plenty of pockets to put stuff in, which is super nice. 1, 2, so you got pocket here, pocket here. We got 2 pockets here and here. We got pockets here. We got a pocket here on the sleeve. Well, that's decent size. They'll probably get a cell phone in there. And we got the pocket here. We can put stuff in if we want to. The other pocket here. We got the these that zip open so we can let some air in if we need some airflow there for our arms. So all that seems like really well thought out jacket, guys. I'm gonna go test this out in the rain, or maybe have someone attack me with a garden hose if I don't have a rainy day to try this out on. But yeah, seems super cozy. I think it looks pretty cool. It's like a ski jacket. The heat's already kicking in. It feels like a nice, warm, like heating pad on my back already right there. Also in the front here, we have I can feel the heat like on here on the front as well. So yeah, guys, this is pretty cozy actually. If now you're out in the weather or whatever, and sometimes you can't just heat up by yourself. Maybe you're outside and it's getting kind of chilly or whatever. It's nice to be able to just hit a button and boom, you're good to go. You know, just warm it up a little bit. I like how the buttons are right here, really easy to push. And I think, yeah, just kind of a nice looking jacket here, I think, guys. We got the drawstrings down here as well. So how does this work? I think I could just kind of pull these. Let's see here. Oh, we could pull these tight like that, I guess. And just kind of, wait, does that go this way? Sorry, I'm not, maybe a little bit new to the drawstring technology here. Just pull it down like that. But that can kind of cinch around your waist too to like limit the amount of air coming in there. But yeah, guys, super comfy. I think it's like perfect size. I like the little extra sleeves in here thing too. That's pretty cool. Oh wait, what? Wait a second. There we go. I didn't know. I can put my hands in there too. So that's even nicer. That's like really just kind of yeah, that's kind of cool actually to keep those out there like that. Also, they don't have to be on your thumb if you don't want to, but you can wear them like that too. And then put a glove over the top of that. So this goes in the glove goes over the top, this goes over the top of the glove. You're not going to get cold. No air is going to get in there. And then this seals, lock that down over the top of your glove and you're good to go. A very cool, well thought out, well designed jacket. Seems super comfy. We'll test it out in the water and let you know what you guys think. But the first impression, guys, I think it's pretty impressive. Ease of use. Just hit the button. Lots of pockets. I like that in a jacket. We'll see you soon. All right, friends. Well, I wasn't going to wait for a rainstorm. So I decided to make my own. And here we are. Plenty of water coming down here. This would be, I guess, equivalent to a pretty decent downpour here. So nice and warm already as far as like no air getting in this jacket and like any cold spots or anything like that. just standing here basically in like a rainstorm. Even you can see the hood is designed so the water, I don't have like a hat on or anything under that, just the way it's just kind of molded, the water just runs off. I've had jackets before where the hood didn't like kind of go over, like kind of over the top, and it would just kind of, the water just run down into your face, which is not cool. You can see none of this is getting in my face. All the pockets are nice and sealed. Yeah, whether you're skiing or you're working outside a lot in the rain or inclement weather, you're going to be warm, toasty warm, and dry in this jacket. Everything about it, even like the pockets, there's no water getting in through there. You can see this material, just water is just running off of this. The hood is detachable if you want to take it off too. You don't have to have that, just some Velcro that holds it on there. But yeah, I was just super impressed with this. I was like, it's an excellent jacket. I highly recommend it. I don't have anything negative to say about it. I like that there's dual zones in the heating. Sometimes maybe you only want your pockets to heat up or that portion and not your back. But all around, my friends, just a great jacket. Thanks for watching this review.